Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Flow. I'm Maya.
And I'm Ryan. Hi, friends. Today we have something exciting. We are going to help you speak English fluently using 100 daily life sentences.
Yes, Ryan, these sentences are simple and real. You can use them every day. By the end of this lesson, you will feel more confident speaking naturally.
Let's start with a short conversation. Imagine we are meeting in the morning.
Hi, Ryan. Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning, Maya. I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm great. Did you have breakfast?
Yes, I had some toast and coffee. What about you?
I just had a banana and some tea.
Friends, this is real English, simple and natural. You can use these sentences every morning with anyone.
Let's explain some words. Good morning is a greeting for the morning. How are you asks about someone's health or mood. I'm fine means you feel good. Did you have breakfast asks about the first meal of the day.
I had some toast and coffee tells what you ate. You can change it. I had eggs or I had cereal.
Friends, repeat after us. Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Excellent. You are practicing shadowing. Shadowing helps your speaking and pronunciation.
Now let's imagine you were at a cafe. Maya, you were ordering.
Hi, can I have a cappuccino, please?
Sure. Would you like it hot or cold?
Hot, please. And can I have a croissant, too?
Of course. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
These sentences are very common in restaurants. Can I have is polite. Would you like is offering options.
Repeat after us. Hi, can I have a cappuccino, please?
Hi, can I have a cappuccino, please?
Would you like it hot or cold?
Would you like it hot or cold?
Perfect. You are speaking naturally.
Friends, keep practicing these short sentences every day. Use them at cafes, restaurants, or with friends.
Now let's learn a few sentences for shopping. Imagine you are buying clothes.
Excuse me, how much is this shirt?
It's $25.
Do you have it in blue?
Yes, we do. What size do you need?
Medium, please.
Here you go.
These sentences are simple. How much is this asks the price. Do you have it in asks about color or size.
Repeat after us. Excuse me, how much is this?
Excuse me, how much is this?
Do you have it in blue?
Do you have it in blue?
Perfect. Shadowing these sentences helps your speaking.
Now let's practice asking for directions. Imagine you are on the street.
Excuse me, where is the nearest bus stop?
Go straight and turn left at the corner.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Excuse me is polite. Where is asks for a place. Go straight and turn left is a simple direction.
Repeat with us. Excuse me, where is the nearest bus stop?
Excuse me, where is the nearest bus stop?
Go straight and turn left at the corner.
Go straight and turn left at the corner.
Excellent. You are practicing real-life English.
That's the end of part 1. Friends, remember, use these sentences every day. Speak confidently. You are improving step by step.
Welcome back, friends. I'm Ryan.
And I'm Maya. If you practiced part 1, you are already speaking more naturally. Now, let's continue with more daily life sentences.
Let's imagine you are making plans with friends. Maya, you start.
Hi, Ryan. Do you want to go to the park today?
Sure, what time?
How about 4 p.m.?
Perfect. See you then.
These sentences are very useful. Do you want to is asking politely. How about is suggesting a time or place.
Repeat after us. Do you want to go to the park today?
Do you want to go to the park today?
How about 4 p.m.?
How about 4 p.m.?
Excellent. Friends, keep practicing these short, natural sentences.
Now, let's talk about talking on the phone. Imagine you are calling a friend.
Hello, Maya. How are you?
Hi, Ryan. I'm good. How about you?
I'm fine, thank you. Are you free this evening?
Yes, I am. What do you want to do?
Let's watch a movie.
Great. What time?
How about 7 p.m.?
Perfect. I'll see you then.
Friends, these are common phone sentences. Are you free is asking if someone is available. Let's is suggesting an activity.
Repeat after us. Are you free this evening?
Are you free this evening?
Let's watch a movie.
Let's watch a movie.
Great. Shadowing these sentences helps you speak naturally without thinking too much.
Let's practice sentences for visiting a friend's house.
Hi, Ryan. Thanks for inviting me.
You are welcome, Maya. Come in.
Wow, your living room is beautiful.
Thank you. Would you like some tea?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Friends, these sentences are simple. Thanks for inviting me is polite. Come in is welcoming. Would you like some is offering something.
Repeat with us. Thanks for inviting me.
Thanks for inviting me.
Would you like some tea?
Would you like some tea?
Perfect. Now let's talk about common sentences for shopping. Imagine buying groceries.
Excuse me, how much are these apples?
They are $3 per kilo.
Can I have 2 kilos, please?
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
These sentences are very useful in markets. How much are asks the price. Can I have asks politely.
Repeat after us. How much are these apples?
How much are these apples?
Can I have 2 kilos, please?
Can I have 2 kilos, please?
Excellent. Friends, you are learning sentences you can use every day.
Now let's practice at the airport. Imagine checking in for a flight.
Hello, I'd like to check in, please.
Sure. Can I see your passport?
Here it is.
Do you have any luggage to check?
Yes, 1 suitcase.
Thank you. Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you very much.
Friends, these are polite and simple sentences. I'd like to is a polite way to say what you want. Do you have any luggage asks about bags.
Repeat after us. I'd like to check in, please.
I'd like to check in, please.
Do you have any luggage to check?
Do you have any luggage to check?
Perfect. Shadowing these sentences makes your speaking smoother and more confident.
Now, let's practice sentences for talking about feelings and daily routine.
Ryan, how was your day?
It was good, thank you. I went to work and then exercised.
That's nice. I studied English and read a book.
Great. Keep practicing every day.
Friends, these sentences are simple. How was your day asks about someone's day. I went to work or I studied English tells what you did.
Repeat after us. How was your day?
How was your day?
I studied English and read a book.
I studied English and read a book.
Fantastic. Shadowing helps your English become natural.
That's the end of part 2, friends. Keep practicing these sentences every day. Use them with your friends, family, or even by yourself. Step by step, you will speak English fluently.
Remember, mistakes are okay. Speak confidently. You are improving every time you practice.
In part 3, we will cover even more daily life sentences, vocabulary, and practice exercises to help you speak confidently in every situation.
See you in part 3. Keep practicing and enjoy your English journey.
Welcome back, friends. I'm Maya.
And I'm Ryan. If you've practiced parts 1 and 2, you are already speaking more naturally. Now let's continue with more daily life sentences to complete our 100-sentence practice.
Let's start with sentences for traveling in the city. Imagine asking for a taxi.
Excuse me, can you take me to the train station?
Sure. Do you want to go fast or take a normal route?
Fast, please.
Friends, can you take me to is polite when asking for transport. Do you want to go fast or slow gives a choice.
Repeat after us. Can you take me to the train station?
Can you take me to the train station?
Do you want to go fast or take a normal route?
Do you want to go fast or take a normal route?
Excellent. Shadowing makes these sentences natural in real situations.
Now let's practice sentences for visiting a doctor.
Hello, doctor. I have a headache.
How long have you had it?
2 days.
Do you have any other symptoms?
No, just a headache.
Friends, these sentences are simple. I have a headache tells your problem. How long have you had it asks for time.
Repeat after us. I have a headache.
I have a headache.
How long have you had it?
How long have you had it?
Great. Keep practicing these medical sentences. They are very useful.
Now let's move to sentences for talking about the weather.
Hi, Maya. It's very sunny today.
Yes, it's warm. Perfect weather for a walk.
I agree. Will it rain tomorrow?
No, the forecast says it will be cloudy but dry.
Friends, it's sunny tells about the weather. Will it rain tomorrow is asking about the future weather.
Repeat after us. It's sunny today.
It's sunny today.
Will it rain tomorrow?
Will it rain tomorrow?
Excellent. Talking about the weather is easy and natural in daily conversation.
Now let's practice sentences for inviting friends to eat.
Ryan, do you want to have lunch with me?
Sure, where shall we go?
How about the new Italian restaurant?
Sounds great. What time?
1 p.m.
Perfect. Friends, these sentences are very useful. Do you want to invite someone politely? How about suggests a place or time?
Repeat after us. Do you want to have lunch with me?
Do you want to have lunch with me?
How about the new Italian restaurant?
How about the new Italian restaurant?
Great. Shadowing makes these sentences flow naturally in conversation.
Now let's practice sentences for expressing opinions.
I think this movie is very interesting.
Yes, I agree. The story is amazing.
I also like the music. It's beautiful.
Friends, I think is a simple way to share your opinion. I agree shows you feel the same.
Repeat after us. I think this movie is very interesting.
I think this movie is very interesting.
I agree.
I agree.
Perfect. You are learning how to speak confidently about your thoughts.
Let's practice sentences for saying goodbye.
It was nice talking to you, Ryan.
Yes, Maya. See you tomorrow.
Bye. Have a good day.
Friends, these sentences are polite and friendly. It was nice talking to you is a polite ending. See you tomorrow is a simple goodbye.
Repeat after us. It was nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Great job. Now let's review some important vocabulary from today. We learned words like taxi, headache, sunny, cloudy, lunch, restaurant, movie, music, opinion, and goodbye.
Try making your own sentences with these words. For example, I took a taxi to the park, or I watched a movie with my friend.
Now let's do a quick Q&A practice. Ryan, I will ask and you answer. What did you eat for lunch?
I had a sandwich and juice.
How was your day yesterday?
It was good. I studied English and watched a movie.
What will you do tomorrow?
I will go to the park and meet my friends.
Excellent. Now repeat after us for shadowing. I had a sandwich and juice.
I had a sandwich and juice.
I studied English and watched a movie.
I studied English and watched a movie.
I will go to the park and meet my friends.
I will go to the park and meet my friends.
Friends, you are doing amazing. Shadowing, repeating, and practicing daily will make these 100 sentences natural in your speaking.
Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Every time you practice, you are improving.
Speak confidently. Use these sentences in real life. Step by step, you will become fluent.
Thank you for practicing with us today. Keep using these daily life sentences and enjoy your English journey.
You are improving every day. Trust yourself, speak naturally, and have fun learning English.
Goodbye, friends. Keep practicing and see you in the next lesson.
Bye. Speak English fluently with easy English flow.